Barack Obama is a name known around the world. He made history by becoming the first African-American president of the United States. His story is inspiring because he came from humble beginnings and worked hard to make a difference. Barack's life is a lesson in hope, perseverance, and the power of dreams. Barack Hussein Obama was born on August 4, 1961, in Honolulu, Hawaii, a beautiful island state in the United States. His father, Barack Obama Sr., was from Kenya in Africa, and his mother, Ann Dunham, was from Kansas in the United States. Barack's parents met while studying at university in Hawaii, but they separated when he was very young. After his parents separated, Barack's mother raised him with the help of her parents. Barack's grandparents were very important in his life. They taught him to be strong and always believe in himself. They also encouraged him to work hard and do well in school. When Barack was 6 years old, he and his mother moved to Indonesia, where his mother had a job. Barack went to school in Indonesia for a few years and learned about a different culture and language. Later, he returned to Hawaii to live with his grandparents and continue his studies. Barack was a bright student. He enjoyed reading, learning about history, and discussing ideas. He was curious and wanted to understand the world around him. In high school, he started to think about what he wanted to do with his life. He wanted to help people and make the world a better place. After high school, Barack attended Occidental College in Los Angeles, California. Later, he transferred to Columbia University in New York City, where he studied political science. During his time at university, he became more aware of social issues and inequalities. He saw that many people needed help and support, and he felt a strong desire to make a difference. After finishing his studies, Barack moved to Chicago, a large city in Illinois. In Chicago, he worked as a community organizer, which means he helped local people solve problems in their communities. He worked with people who needed better housing, jobs, and education. Barack listened to their stories and tried to find ways to help them. His work in Chicago was challenging, but he loved it. He saw that small changes could improve people's lives, and he felt proud to be part of that change. This experience made him realize that he wanted to do more to help others. He decided that one day, he would enter politics to make a bigger difference. To prepare for a career in politics, Barack attended Harvard Law School, one of the best law schools in the United States. At Harvard, he was elected the first African-American president of the Harvard Law Review, a respected student-run law journal. This achievement showed Barack's leadership skills and intelligence, and it gave him confidence for his future. While working as a summer associate at a law firm in Chicago, Barack met a young lawyer named Michelle Robinson. They became friends and then fell in love. Michelle admired Barack's passion for helping people, and Barack admired Michelle's kindness and intelligence. They got married in 1992, and together, they formed a strong, supportive partnership. Michelle would later play an important role in Barack's life and career. Barack Obama began his political career in Illinois, where he was elected to the Illinois State Senate in 1996. As a senator, he worked on issues like healthcare, education, and welfare. He wanted to make sure everyone had the opportunity to succeed. His work was focused on helping families, improving schools, and supporting communities. Barack's time in the Illinois Senate gave him valuable experience and showed people that he cared deeply about their needs. He was known for listening to people's concerns and working hard to find solutions. His dedication earned him respect, and he began to gain attention as a young leader with big ideas. In 2004, Barack decided to run for the United States Senate, which is a higher level of government than the state Senate. This was a big step in his career, and he campaigned hard to win the election. During his campaign, Barack delivered a powerful speech at the Democratic National Convention, where he spoke about unity, hope, and the need for change. His words inspired many people across the country. Barack won the election and became a U.S. Senator. As a senator, he continued to work on important issues like healthcare, education, and poverty. He also spoke out against the Iraq War, showing his commitment to peace and diplomacy. Barack's work in the Senate helped him gain national attention, and people began to see him as a possible future leader. In 2007, Barack Obama announced that he would run for President of the United States. His campaign slogan was "Yes, we can," a message of hope and change. Barack wanted to bring new ideas to the country and make the government work better for everyone. His campaign focused on issues like healthcare reform, the economy, and ending the war in Iraq. Barack's campaign was historic. He was the first African-American candidate with a real chance of becoming president. Many people were excited to see someone new and fresh running for office. Barack's positive message and strong character inspired people of all ages and backgrounds. In 2008, Barack Obama won the election and became the 44th President of the United States. His victory was celebrated around the world, and millions of people were filled with hope for a better future. Barack Obama's time as president was full of challenges and achievements. One of his biggest achievements was the Affordable Care Act, also known as Obamacare. This law aimed to give more Americans access to health care, especially those who could not afford it. Many people supported the law, as it helped families in need. Another important part of Barack's presidency was his focus on ending wars. He worked to bring American soldiers home from Iraq and reduce the number of troops in Afghanistan. He believed in using diplomacy, or peaceful discussions, to solve problems between countries. Barack also worked on issues like climate change, which is the problem of Earth getting warmer because of pollution. He signed the Paris Agreement, a global agreement to reduce pollution and protect the environment. Barack wanted to make sure future generations could live on a healthy planet. In 2012, Barack Obama ran for president again and won a second term. He continued to work on improving the economy, supporting education, and creating jobs. He also focused on making sure everyone had equal rights. Barack spoke out for the rights of all people, including women, people of color, and the LGBTQ community. During his second term, Barack faced many challenges, but he remained strong. He believed in the power of hope and hard work, and he encouraged Americans to stay united. His speeches often reminded people that they could achieve great things if they worked together. After serving 2 terms as president, Barack Obama left the White House in January 2017. He and Michelle moved back to a quieter life, but they continued to work on important issues. They started the Obama Foundation, which helps young leaders make a positive impact in their communities. Barack also began writing books and giving speeches. He shared his experiences and ideas with people around the world, inspiring others to believe in their dreams and make a difference. His book, A Promised Land, became very popular, and people loved hearing about his journey. Barack Obama's story is one of hope, change, and perseverance. He showed that no matter where you come from, you can achieve great things with hard work and determination. His time as president brought positive changes, and he inspired millions of people to believe in themselves. Barack's legacy is not just about his achievements in office. It is also about the way he made people feel. He encouraged people to be kind, to care about others, and to never give up on their dreams. His story will continue to inspire future generations. Barack Obama's journey from a young boy in Hawaii to the President of the United States is a remarkable story. His life shows that dreams can come true if you work hard and stay true to your values. Barack's legacy is one of hope and change, and he will always be remembered as a leader who believed in the power of yes we can. This story about Barack Obama highlights his life, his journey to becoming president, and the impact he made on people around the world. His story is a reminder that anyone can make a difference if they have courage and a strong will to succeed. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the story.